until we talk to bed.
I do you right, how you like it. You say the word, I say goodbye to the silence. Then we wake up inside the mind, up inside it. Then we wake up inside.
Hey guys, it's your girl Cleo, back at it again. So, I'm actually going to give you a heads up of what I'm doing on this channel. I am making 4 videos a day. Not 4 videos a day. 4 videos like 3 times a week. But in the summertime, there's going to be videos a lot. So, this is going to be another Musical.ly tutorial because I got better at my transitions. So yeah, you already know what to do at this point. You know, pick a song. I don't know if there's any songs in here that I will actually do a Musical.ly to. That's why I download my own songs, no shade to Musical.ly. So I'll do One Kiss.
'Cause I'm lost in.
One Kiss is a really good song. So, hey guys, what's up? So, this Musical.ly update does look very different, I know. Yeah. So, the first thing that you're going to do for this is put it on fast. Then for the spin transition down to the floor, you go over here.
'Cause I'm lost in.
And for the back transition, basically you push in. And you have to have a partner for this. This is really fun. Deuce, can you help me? So basically, I have to, oh my god. You got it, Deuce? Here. Okay. So basically what you have to do is turn around. Okay, you got it? Mm-hmm. And you go in again.
The way you move.
Then basically turn around. Okay, give me the camera. Oh god, I almost dropped the phone. Unprofessional. Okay. So now you do it again.
The way you feel.
Now for the shake transition, you
One kiss is all it takes.
then go fast again. Go into another position.
Falling in love with me. Possibilities.
Then for this part, you can do it. It's optional. You know, have fun with the spinning transition if you want to. I'm actually going to go up. Okay. So then I'm going to start down. We're going to have our partner, Deucykins. Oh my god. So we're going to, okay. Deuce got longer arms than me, so. Okay. Here. So now what we have to do is just.
Like all you need, one kiss is all it takes. Falling in love.
So this is what it looks like.
'Cause I'm lost in the way you move, the way you feel. One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities. I look like all you need. One kiss
And
is
now
all
with
it
Musical.ly they
takes.
have effects, which are really fun too. I like using illusion. That's my favorite.
'Cause I'm lost in the way you move, the way you feel. One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities. I look like all you need. One kiss is all it takes.
Like these are really fun, and now this is what it looks like.
'Cause I'm lost in the way you move, the way you feel. One kiss is all it takes. Falling in love with me. Possibilities. I look like all you need.
These are really
One
fun.
kiss is all it takes. Falling.
So yeah, that's basically
'Cause I'm lost
how much I
in
improved
the way you move, the way you
from a few
feel.
months.
One kiss
So yeah,
is all it
hope you learned
takes.
something.
Falling in